Morning St. Andrews students. Today I am going to start a new chapter of Geography class 8th, Land, Soil, Water, Natural Vegetation and Wildlife Resources. In this chapter we will discuss about basically the various resources. So you have land, soil, water, vegetation, natural vegetation and wildlife resources. Now as we have tried to understand various resources as resources, some things being usable which we can conserve that land. If we work on the land areas on the globe, we can say that one third land is water and nearly only 1/4 on the total area of the globe is land. Out of this 1/4 area of the land that is present, 90% populations that lived only 30% of land area. Nearly 70% of land area that is the habitated on land, frozen land on Antarctic Sea. So 70% land area is not habitated. So we can say that 30% is land area population lived of the total area. Land conservation, forestations, land recommendations, regular use of chemical pesticides and fertilizers, check on overgrazing. The two major climate factors of soil formations are the temperature and the rainfall, as rainfall influence weathering and humus formations. Overuses of chemicals and fertilizers and deforestations, two reasons for land degradations. Moreover, agriculture expansion and constructional activities have also created the fear of losing these natural resources. Land is considered as an important resource because land is used for different purposes such as agriculture, forestry, mining, building houses, roads and setting up of industries. These can be conserved plants and animals, awareness, national parks, wildlife sanctuaries, biosphere resources are made to protect our natural vegetations and wildlife. Conservations of creeks, lakes and is necessary to save the precious resources from depletions. Water pollutions can be controlled by treating these effects situations before releasing them in water bodies. Forests and overvegetations cover slow and surface runoff. The canals used for irrigations, wildlife field should be properly lined to minimize losses by water sewerage. The valuable water resources can therefore be conserved by adopting these means of irrigations. I hope students you understand the chapter very well. What is resources, why we need water, natural vegetations and wildlife is very important in our life. So conservation of natural vegetation and wildlife, these are the things which have an important role in our life. Biosphere reserve, series of protected areas linked through a global network intended to demonstrate the relationship between conservation and development. I hope students you understand the chapter very well. Thank you. Have a nice day.